The left hand grips tightly, sealing the mouth of the bottle. Squeeze the body of the plastic bottle tightly with your right hand, then suddenly let go. Standard plastic anchors often fail in hollow bricks because they cannot expand securely inside the cavity. A simple trick is to trim off the pointed tip and flange. Then insert the anchor in reverse before tightening the screw. As the screw is driven in, the anchor folds and expands inside the hollow space, creating a much stronger grip. This method provides a more secure hold for mounting lightweight items on hollow brick walls.
Okay.
This clever DIE setup turns two flap sanding discs and a hand drill into a double-sided sharpening tool. By sharpening both sides of the axe blade at the same time, it creates a more even edge while saving time and effort. It's a practical solution for restoring dull tools using simple, affordable materials. However, always secure the drill firmly and wear proper safety gear when working with high-speed rotating tools. Subscribe to the channel for more clever DIE tips, practical hacks, and useful videos every day.
A flat tire caused by a nail can happen anytime, leaving you stranded when you least expect it. In this video, you'll see a professional tire repair method that offers a stronger and longer lasting seal than traditional plug repairs. Using a specialized repi, argon and mushroom shaped rubber plug, the puncture is sealed securely from the inside, greatly reducing the risk of future air leaks after the tire is reinflated and tested with soapy water. He repair proofs completely airtight. This practical technique is ideal for motorcycle repair shops and anyone looking for a safer, more reliable solution to extend tire life and get back on the road with confidence.
This clever DIE tool transforms an old hacksaw blade into a long-handled weed remover using simple PVC fittings and a wooden handle. The curved blade easily reaches into cracks between concrete or paving stones, cutting weeds at the roots without bending over. It's an inexpensive way to recycle old materials while making yard maintenance faster and easier. Small DIE projects like this show that a little creativity can turn worn-out tools into practical solutions. Subscribe to the channel for more practical DIE ideas, clever workshop hacks, and useful repair tips every day. Simply looping a steel cable through a hook can cause it to slip under heavy loads. Simply looping a steel cable through a hook can cause it to slip under heavy loads, weaving them back together and wrapping the ends tightly around the main cable. The finished loop provides a much stronger, more reliable connection for lifting or pulling. The finished loop provides a much stronger, more reliable connection for lifting or pulling. Subscribe to the channel for more practical DIY tips, clever workshop hacks, and useful repair techniques every day.